not online. I tap into your blessing. I tap into your blessing. But my catcher, me rabba, in your blessing, biana, what happened? My brother, in your biana blessing, what happened? You see, reason or you very dicey. Will be an strategy or the brand. Will be a sebi or ye re, Nancy Niman. Will be a while ye criminal, will be a while sebi, or too low key. Better Niman. And see, don't be in a hurry to tap into the blessings of certain people. In the motion of fraud boy be winya, kakra wakotone car, oluchu. And the only thing you can say there, I tap into your blessing. On fire. What you need to my wabeche also atum. Obi akejo bini kunu wawaran. Awujine chase I tap into your blessing. Wosuli bejo bini kuna. Hey! Inti I tap into your blessing oya mokana. Oya monshe anamaka. A futa vast day meze mo wananyen. Pocho vast day so eriko outa. Yesterday obi wa fro na onyo wa kashe baby na onyo no kwan. O fro na onyo start nkomo na bisada bread enyibre nyama bada mamanya abwe. Because mom kwana nkono mananse ndine diban and say ne dwetey. Ne chioka de rowo dross na koso ho abada ne busuama nso. Edi ne sika ono so nyom bada. Besrao. Munye negotiations and offline before you get online. Yempere vast day nechi yabatitete nsembia no nyima akada. Those days na wo be di vast day we no wa wo bi sika. Sisi adam kwasi ezen retwem. Wo get lobi afa mbesi afuna wo breye no do. Ebisu wo ho. Kafa. Ati mama kana. Or from a park to the rich higher fancy YouTube. I full time as I'm watching and I tap into your blessing and in any nana what tap will be a way. Will be such a way. A cat tap into blessing and a kitty. Your baby damn as some American won't find it serious before you do some fucking thing. Macaron, park to the rich. Bye bye.
DJ Paco Rich.